Hello, today I'm going to talk about how to access Shaheen with X11 forwarding using your Windows machine. For this, you need X11 server installed on your machine. Xming is such an application. You can download and install Xming server, and the steps to install are pretty self-explanatory on this web page. You need admin privileges to install Xming on your Windows machine. Once done, you can activate Xming by typing Xming in search. And when it is activated, it will show up in your launcher bar. Once it is activated, you can use PuTTY to SSH into Shaheen using the host name of the login node of Shaheen and expanding the SSH section X11 and enabling the X11 forwarding option. It will ask for your username and your password and the one-time password which you can retrieve from your one-time password authenticator you have installed on your mobile phone. We are in Shaheen now. Let's test if we can open an X11 window application. For this, I'm going to open a graphic editor, which is called gedit. Here we are. We have successfully opened a new window, an X window. And in this way, you can open any graphic user interface application on Shaheen's login node. Thank you for listening.